Good morning, all of you. We are doing Value Education, Class 7, and we are doing chapter number 1, Being Considerate. Last day, we have learned one story about being considerate, being respects. About a story of a family who are so rude and they are not helping others. This is a story of a Manu, and it happens in a aircraft. We have finished the chapter, we have finished this story last day, and we have completed the exercise also. Today we will start another story, and that story is Dignity of Work. This is a story of a boy whose name is Bhaskar. Previously, he thought that every job has another skill, but he thinks that some of the jobs are lowly jobs. That means the dignity of that work is not good. So he didn't want to do that. One day, Bhaskar entered into the classroom and seen that everyone is excited to do something. Then Bhaskar asked everyone what is going on. Then the students, his friends, excitedly said him that we are going to paint the classroom. One of the friend, whose name is Jacob, he told that we are going to paint the classroom. Then Bhaskar, very disappointed, said, "Oh, this job you are going to do?" He thought that painting is a very lowly job. That means it's not a job of a dignity. Then he thought that I am not going to do. I am not going to do, and I am not going to help them in this lowly job. That means dignityless job. But his friends want him that he should help them, but he didn't help them. They asked, they are doing their work, the friends are doing their work with the help of the paintbrush, and there was a master painter who was guiding them to paint the wall, and the students are obeying the master painter. But Bhaskar did not want to obey the painter, and when the master painter asked Bhaskar to just move the bucket of water from the way, but Bhaskar did not listen, and he just left the place. Every volunteer, that means all the students, are helping each other, but Bhaskar just moved away from the scene, that means from the class, from the place where the painting was doing. Everyone is doing the painting. Lastly, when a painter, when he was going back from the class, his legs were tripped from the water which was fallen on the ground, which the master painter has told him to just move the bucket from the way, but he didn't done. When he tripped over, then he slipped on another student who is holding some painting bucket with paint in it. Then the paint splashed on Bhaskar, all over Bhaskar, and his face were fully colored, his dress were fully colored. After that moment, everyone was very stunned. But after some time, a peal of laughter, that means a very small laughter, comes out from Bhaskar's mouth. That means he understood that what he has done, and after that he joined the team and volunteering them and enjoyed himself through the painting. After the students finished the painting, the master painter gives the finishing touch. When the master painter paints the wall, and on the wall he paint a forest scenery. When he completed the painting comes alive. That means the painting is such a real painting that everything comes alive. After saying this, Bhaskar understood that every job required special skills. The student had needed the painter to guide them in mixing the paint properly. That means if the master painter was not there, they would not do the job properly. They cannot mix the paint also, and they cannot draw the scenery of the forest. They would not be able to do that. That means special skills required for painting and for every job. That was understood by Bhaskar and the other students, and they understand the dignity in any labor is very good. After that, everyone understood the dignity of the labor. This was the story of Bhaskar and the dignity of the labor. So now onwards, you will also feel that there is no job which is lowly job. Every job has its dignity, whether it was the job of the sweeper, whether it was the job of a aircraft, that means pilot also, whether it was the job of a doctor. Every job had its own dignity. Now we will solve some questions over here. Answer the following question. Why was not Bhaskar interested in helping out with the painting of the class? So why he did not help? Because he thought painting was a lowly job, the work of a painter alone. He thought that this was a lowly job and I can't do this job well done by the painter. Now what happened when the paint splashed all over Bhaskar? For a moment everyone was stunned. That means number B. And here the answer was number D in number 1. For a moment everyone was stunned. After that the silence came into a laughter. But first of all everyone was stunned. Now question number 3. The dignity of performing any job need not depend only on the position it gives you in the society. What is the real dignity in the work? The pride with which you do the job. That means whether if you are doing a lowly job, you should be proud of it, because this is giving you a livelihood. Everything depends, your family also depends on that. So if you did not show your prideness on that job, the job will also not show you anything. So whichever the jobs you are doing, you should feel pride that you are doing a good job. You are doing job and you are earning money. You are not cheating anyone, you are not thefting anyone, you are not just cheating. Okay, so you should feel pride. Now question number 4. What made Bhaskar understand that every job requires special skill? Bhaskar realized that without the painter's help, the student would not have been able to mix the paint properly and paint the wall neatly. Also, special skills were needed to paint pictures on the wall, which only the painter had. That means special skills required. Okay, so you will solve these answers. Next day we will do this one and question time. So till then, goodbye.